Let's focus on this case and what comes next in this case. CBS News' Alice Gaynor was one of roughly 50 journalists in the courtroom yesterday. She has firsthand perspective and joins us now. Alice.
Chris, as far as arraignments go, this one was fairly lengthy. And once he was arraigned, they went over a few other items. That included scheduling. Prosecutors said they were thinking of a January 2024 trial, but the defense shot back. That was premature, considering in that moment they had only just seen the indictment. So they are predicting a spring 2024 trial would be more likely. During former President Donald Trump's arraignment, the judge told both parties, please speak to your witnesses, defense counsel, speak to your client, and anybody else you need to, and remind them to please refrain from making statements that are likely to incite violence or civil unrest. This after prosecutors brought up numerous recent inflammatory social media posts by Mr. Trump. Despite the judge's request, Trump posted on Truth Social numerous times since his court appearance, blasting the indictment. But the judge merely made a request, and the prosecution did not ask for a gag order. And even if they had, the judge says he would not have imposed one. Legal experts have been weighing in now that the indictment has been unsealed.
The indictment talks about concealing another crime, but it doesn't actually tell you what that crime is, which is an unusual way to approach it, to say the least. There's more there, which maybe they'll bring up during the pendency of this case.
Former Trump lawyer and fixer Michael Cohen, a likely witness for the prosecution, spoke with CNN last night.
Mr. Bragg and his qualified team will be providing a significant amount of documentary evidence that will corroborate all of the allegations or the statements that he has in this document.
Some say Trump's legal team could try to delay the case or get it dismissed.
Trump supporters are saying these charges would never be brought if we weren't talking about a candidate for the presidency and ultimately the president. And actually, legally, that's true in this way. What Alvin Bragg is alleging here is a scheme to try and defraud the American public, is a scheme to try to take negative stories out of the public conversation and basically hide from the voters the truth of a presidential candidate and what he is really like. So in that way, he's right. These alleged crimes are unique to somebody who is running for high office.
Well, over the next few months, both sides will file and respond to motions, and both sides are working out a protective agreement over discovery evidence. Prosecutors want to make sure Trump does not post or share the material with others. His next in-court appearance is scheduled, Chris, for December.
Okay, Alice Gaynor, thank you, Alice. And be sure to stay with CBS 2 for complete coverage as the case with the former president moves forward. We'll have updates, the latest updates on the air and our streaming channel, CBS News New York. You can also read the full indictment on our website.